So in this video we'll be seeing how to achieve code execution using the log poisoning. So just like in the previous video, let's go to English or Spanish and let's view HC pass WD. So here we need to get the log files. So normally you need to scan the IP address and do the nmap scan and see what ports are open. So I will also show you other log poisoning techniques as well. So you can Google this Apache 2 log location. So here you can see it's commonly var log apache 2 access.log. So let's go to that and see. So here you can see this is our log file. So this access.log should not be read by everyone, but here it's been read by everyone. So press Ctrl U and here you can see the request getting for all the files. So this is the en.php. This is like a HTTP history, and here you can see the Mozilla 5 Ubuntu Linux etc. So this is our user agent. So that means whatever we send the user agent, it is being injected into this file, and the bad thing is it is being rendered as a PHP. So since this is the text, it is being rendered as normal text. So all you need to do is you need to inject the PHP command execution code. So let's start the burp suite. So we will inject the PHP code execution into this one of the request into the user agent header. So whenever we load this again, we will execute the command as well, because that PHP code will be rendered as a PHP. So now enter this again. So here you need to delete the user agent field. So you can put this code PHP system of $_get of C. So basically what this code does is it will take the C parameter value and that value will be executed as a system command. Now you can forward this one. So turn off intercept off. Now what you need to do is you need to put ampersand C is equals to who am I. So here you can see the code execution as www data. So we can also get ls minus la. You can press Ctrl U to see or to get some nice look, and you can see the files here: en.es.php and image index.php, license.txt, style.css. So you can put the reverse shell here, but it's a public IP, so you can try the ngrok. So I'm not going to do the ngrok now, but in normal pentest scenarios I hope you will give the VPN or you'll be connected to the client's network. So this is you can first fetch C is equals to which Python. So I think so let's try for which Python 3. So I think there is no Python installed on the system. So you can put the directory bash reverse shell to get the reverse shell onto the system. So this is about the log poisoning for the Apache logs. So what you can do is you can also do for the SSH logs. So there is an SSH port open. Assume that SSH port is open on this IP address. So what you can do is SSH. You can grab this. Sorry. So you can put like this, same code, php system of $_ get of c @ IP address. So I think you need to escape this dollar, otherwise you'll get some errors. Type yes, and here, so this is the perfect one. So you need to put like this and enter some random password. So maybe it should be, you should get wrong. So this IP this username will be logged into the SSH log files. So you can go to that where log auth.log. So that is, so no such file directory, or you can go to where log sshd.log. So in our case there is no such file, so there is no SSH service on the system. So if there is an SSH port on the system, you can try like this. Okay, you can inject the PHP code in the username in the SSH command. So sometimes there will be like vsftpd server, so or FTP, simply you can say FTP, and in the username, so you can paste this username and password. So type the wrong password. All we need to do is our request should get logged into the FTP logs. So after that you can go to where log vsftpd.log. So you can also Google for vsftpd log. So where log vsftpd.log. So in this way, first try to port scan the system, and according to the ports you need to poison the particular file to get the code execution. So that's all about this Apache log poisoning to get the code execution.